So here I want to share with you guys a quick tip how you can use ChatGPT for your English purpose, because I am also using ChatGPT for my English speaking, and as well as I am getting a lot of feedback and support from that. So basically, all of you are may aware about the ChatGPT right now. So if you ever downloaded the ChatGPT mobile app, or if you are using the desktop version, there is a two function called the chat feature and as well as the voice function feature. So you can use either chat feature or the voice function for your English speaking practices, but I prefer use the voice function feature because it will be more natural when you practice speaking with ChatGPT. When it comes to ChatGPT, you can actually add a certain type of custom instruction to your ChatGPT specific for your own. In here, you can actually take advantage out of that by mentioning what purpose you are using ChatGPT and how you should be responded by the ChatGPT app. So in the settings area, there is a feature called custom instruction. And if you go to setting, you can find it easily. And under the custom instruction, they ask two questions for what purpose you are using ChatGPT, and the second question, how you should be responded when you have a conversation with ChatGPT. So in my ChatGPT, I actually have add some custom instruction. In the purpose, I actually have entered my basic background and the reason I am using ChatGPT. In here, I actually have mentioned I am not a native English speaker, so I am basically using the ChatGPT to improve my English. And when it comes to the second question, how should be a ChatGPT should be responded? And here I actually have mentioned, since I am making a lot of mistakes while speaking in English, specifically I want to focus on how I structure sentences, grammar, and as well as the vocabulary usage. Because sometimes since I am not know about the particular words and the suitable words, and sometimes I also use inappropriate words in certain situation. Since I have faced this type of problems, I also mentioned that suggest me the correct word or the more suitable words according to my conversation. So I have given this type of custom instruction to ChatGPT, and after that, whenever I have a conversation with ChatGPT, they actually automatically give me the feedback and the corrected terms for whatever I ask from ChatGPT. And this is the one feature. And there is another feature you can take advantage of, that is the memory update area feature. I mean, I don't know about the technical terms, but there is another feature called memory update in ChatGPT. And you might also have seen this when you have a conversation with ChatGPT. Sometimes it actually updated memory about you. If you share some information about yourself or a project that you are working on, if you keep continuously working on a certain type of specific purpose, it will automatically update the memory about itself. And you can also take this as an advantage by updating your memory with the purpose of you are using ChatGPT. In our case, it is the learning English. So in the memory update area, you can easily update memory by giving instruction to make the memory update. But sometimes this happen automatically as well. But I think giving a command like this make it easy to update the memory. So in memory update, you can give a certain type of information like your name and the purpose of your using language, and like I mentioned earlier, you can also mention the custom instruction here as well, and then it will be more firm to the ChatGPT. What is the reason you are using ChatGPT and how you should be responded when you guys are having a conversation. In here, I suggest you to add your name at the initially. I mean, if you have a concern about your privacy and revealing some information, it is okay if you never reveal your names. But what I have found out is when you have a conversation with ChatGPT with the voice function feature or the chat feature, if you have updated your memory, it gives you so much natural responses rather than the artificial one. When you have a conversation with ChatGPT, then it is actually addressed by your name. So that feels actually natural, like you are having a conversation with a real person. I mean, it is not a real person, this is the artificial one. So sometimes it is feels like you are having a conversation over the phone with another person. And you can actually take this as an advantage for your English speaking practice, especially because sometimes you might have a problem with hiring a tutor or going out and speaking with the strange person. Because at the initially I was also uncomfortable with start to speak with people because I am somewhat not a very social guy. So that is why I really start to follow this approach. And I think this will be helpful for you guys to improve your English speaking practice. So if you never downloaded the ChatGPT or never used the ChatGPT, I mean, there are a lot of tutorials about how to use ChatGPT and what is ChatGPT, all about the YouTube and other informations on blogs and internet. If you haven't read about how to use ChatGPT, please go and refer them and learn how to use it and utilize it for your English improvement. Thank you guys.